So new to Windows and Excel is a new security feature that will prevent macros from running on your computer without your knowledge. So one of the fears for Microsoft is that somebody will send you an Excel file or a file with a macro in it. You'll open it and it will run something malicious. So what they've done is when you get sent a file and you save that to your desktop, so previously, along with settings from Trust Center, if I go into Trust Center and go into Trust Center settings, all of these settings are set to the highest possible or the lowest possible security, so that theoretically everything should just run. Everything I've received should run. Nothing should really be blocked. But what you can see here is this is a file that I got in Outlook. I sent it to myself. And then I saved it to the desktop and I try to open it. And you can see it says Microsoft has blocked macros from running because of the source of this file is untrusted. So what you need to now do is close this, go back to the file on your desktop or wherever it is, right click, and go to Properties. And then what you'll see down here is it will say Security. This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. And you click on Unblock, you hit on Apply, OK. And now when I open this, I won't get any more errors and I'll be able to access the macros that were in there. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.